Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear webinars, today we are discussing about the semester 1 syllabus and the model paper which is going to come in your exam, which is going to come in your upcoming exam. Okay. Here we go, Department of Arabic, Osmania University, syllabus for undergraduate courses BA, BSc, BCom and BBA, second language Arabic with effect from 2019 to 2020 under CBCS. CBCS means choice based credit system. For the year 2021, title of the paper classical prose, modern prose, grammar and history of Arabic literatures. Content semester 1. In classical prose you have two lessons, Suratul Inshirah and Suratul Teen. Surah Al-Inshirah and Surah At-Teen. Two surahs are there in section in unit first. Second unit belongs to prose, modern prose. It contains two lessons, Al-Hiwar, the conversation, and An-Nadafatu, the cleanliness. Unit 3 belongs to grammar. Unit 3 belongs to grammar and it contains two lessons, Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha, word and its kinds, and second lesson is Al-Ismu wa Aqsamuhu, the noun and its kinds. Fourth unit belongs to history of Arabic literature. It contains three lessons, Mizatul Lughatil Arabiyya, features, characteristic features of Arabic language, Ash-Sha'ru wa Shu'ara'u fil Asr al-Jahili, the poetry and poets in pre-Islamic period, and third lesson is Al-Mu'allaqatu Sab'u, seven Mu'allaqat, the seven suspended, the seven prize winning poems. This is your syllabus. Okay. Now we will discuss the paper pattern. Now you can see on the screen that paper pattern is given. This type of paper will come in your exam. Your paper contains two sections. Section A, short answer type questions, and section B, long answer type questions. Maximum marks will be 80. Short answer type questions, out of 6 short answers, you have to answer 4. Each carries 5 marks. Okay. Out of 6, you have to answer 4. Each carries 5 marks. For example, here it is given, translate the following verses with reference to context. Surah, the ayats, the verses of surah is given and asking us to translate it and give the reference to which surah these verses belongs. In Arabic it is given, Tarjimil ayati taliya mal isharati ila nasiha. Watti a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wattini waz zaytun wa turi sinin wa hadhal baladil amin. Translation: by the fig and the olive, and by the Mount Sinai, and by this peaceful city. These ayats belongs to the surah At-Teen, the fig. In this way you have to answer. It carries 5 marks. In section A, total 6 questions will be given. You have to answer 4. Each carries 4 marks. And in section B, 8 questions will be given from 4 units. First unit with internal choice. Okay, 4 questions will be given. Actually, total 8 questions will be given with internal choice. From first unit, 2 questions will be given. You have to write this or that, internal choice. And in second also, you have to write this or that. In this way, you have to answer long answer type questions. Each carries 15 marks. We will discuss the paper pattern, second section, after discussing short answer type questions. Okay. In this way you have to write. Now we will see second question. Answer the following questions. Mada yaf'alu Abdullah ba'da salatil fajr. This question is given in Arabic, so this answer should be in Arabic. Okay, here he is asking us to answer the following question. So this answer we have to write in Arabic. Mada yafalu Abdullah bada salatil fajr. What does Abdullah do after Fajr prayer? After offering Fajr salat, what does he do? So we have to write bada salatil fajr Abdullah yatlul Quran. Yatlul Qur'ana. Abdullah recite the Quran after Fajr. In this way we have to write. Write 5 examples of an-nakiratu wal ma'rifatu. Uktub khamsata amthilatin lin nakirati wal ma'rifati. Write 5 examples of nakira and marifa. Nakira means common indefinite noun and marifa means definite noun. Examples of nakira are qalamun, waladun, kitabun, deekun, maktabun, masjidun. Okay. Examples of marifa is al-qalamu, al-waladu, at-tajiru, al-makhadu, al-masjidu, or you may give the name of a person, Hamedun, Rashidun, or you may give the name of a female person, that is Fatimatu, Aishatu, etc. Okay, in this way you have to give 5 examples. Write the examples in Arabic, it will be better. Or else you can write the examples. If you unable to write the examples in Arabic, then give the examples in the language which you know. But don't leave the question. Now come to next question, question number 4. Write the names of the poets of Al-Muallaqatus Sab'a. Write the names of the poet of 7 prize-winning poems. Uktubil Asma'a li Shora'il Muallaqatis Sab'a. He is asking us to give the names of the poets who wrote the 7 poems which won the prizes. Here are the names. First we have to write Al-Asma'u li Shora'il Muallaqat hiya. After writing here, we have to write the name. Number 1, Imraul Khais, Antara bin Shaddad al-Absi, Zuhair ibn Abi Sulma al-Muzni, Tarfa ibn Abd Bakri, Labid ibn Rabia al-Amri, Al-Haris ibn Hilza al-Yashuri, Amar ibn Kulthum al-Taghlabi. These are the 7 names of the prize-winning poets. Got it? You can write the name in English or you can write the name in Urdu or in Arabic. No problem with this, you will get the marks. Next question is, write any 5 meanings of the following words. Hati ma'ani khamsi kalimatin minat taliya. Write any 5 meanings. Madrasatun, a school. Jadidun, new. Shari'un, road. Baitun, a house. Hadikhatun, a garden. Taskunu, you stay. Taishu, you live. Yadu, you call, you invite. Sorry. Yadu means he calls or he invites. Got it? Now come to question number 6. Convert any 5 of the following singular words into plural form. Ati bi khamsati jumu'in lil kalimatil atiya. Write the plural form of the following words. Here the first word is sadrun. Sadrun means chest. The plural is sudurun. Sudurun. Next is baladun. Baladun means country or city. And the plural is biladun. Biladun. Next is hafilatun. Hafilatun means bus. In the exam you need not to give the meaning, just write the plural form. That will be enough. That would be enough. Hafilatun. Hafilatun means bus and the plural of hafila is hafilatun. Hafilatun. Fardun means individual and the plural of fardun is afradun. Afradun. Muhandisun is singular, which means engineer, and the plural is muhandisuna. Muhandisuna. Akhun means brother. The plural of akhun is ikhwatun. Ikhwatun, brothers. Lughatun is singular, means language, and the plural of lughatun is lughatun. Lughatun, languages. Marizun is singular, which means patience, and the plural form of marizun is marda. Marda, patience. Got it? Now we will discuss section B, long answer type questions. Section B is on your screen. Section B carries 60 marks. Each answer carries 15 marks. Okay. He is giving the questions with internal choice. 4 units are there in your syllabus, so 4 questions will be given. In each question, there will be 2 questions. Okay, this or that, internal choice will be given. If the internal choice is dropped, then out of 8 questions you have to answer any 4, each carries 15 marks. Here the first question is, write the summary of Suratul Inshirah in detail. Uktub an tafsiri Suratul Inshirah mufassilan. Or explain the summary of Suratul Teen in detail. Bayyin tafsira Suratul Teeni bit tafsil. Okay, any one you have to answer in your own language. You can write in Urdu, you can write in English, or you can write in Hindi as well. Whatever the language you know, you can give the long answer questions in that language. Next is, in my upcoming classes, I will explain these summaries. Today we are discussing the paper pattern. That is the reason I am not going into the deep of the lesson. Explain the summary of the lesson. Al-Hiwar. Uktub khulasat ad-darsi al-Hiwar mufassilan. He is asking us to give the summary of the lesson Al-Hiwar. Al-Hiwar means conversation. The whole conversation you have to write in your own language. You will get 15 marks. So how many words you have to give? At least you have to write 300 words or not less than 250 words to get 15 marks. Write in detail the summary of the lesson An-Nazafa. Uktub bit-tafsil an khulasatin nazafa. Nazafa means cleanliness. You have to write the summary of the cleanliness. What do you know about, question number 9, what do you know about Aqsamul Kalima? Explain them with examples. Mada tarifu an Aqsamil Kalimati Ishrah bil Amsila. What do you know about Aqsamul Kalima? In this section belongs to grammar. So you have to write the definition of kalima, word, and its kinds with their definitions and examples. Okay. Aqsamul Kalima, al-ismu, al-fi'lu, al-harfu, and their examples. Got it? Section B is, in pandemic situation, he may drop the internal choice. Overall choice will be given. Out of 8 answers, you have to answer any 4. How many kinds of noun? Al-ismu, aqsamu, explain them with examples. Come now, an lil-ismi ishra bil amsila. Here he is asking the second lesson of the grammar, noun and its kinds. You have to give the noun and its kinds with the definition and examples. You will get 15 marks for it. The last question is, please do not disturb the screen. Rida, write the characteristic features of Arabic language. Uzkur mizatil lughatil arabiyya. He is asking us to write the special features of Arabic language. What are the peculiar features of Arabic language? About its grammar, etc. We have to write in this section. Next question is, describe about the poetry in pre-Islamic period. Uktub an ash-sha'r fi asr al-jahili. You have to write the poetry of pre-Islamic period. What type of poetry was going on in pre-Islamic period? That you have to give in detail. You will get 15 marks for it. This is the paper pattern of your coming exam. This is the paper pattern of your coming exam. So be prepared, well prepared for it, and all the best for the exam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.